Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify authentication for LastPass with security dashboard, full guide step by step clearly. To verify authentication for LastPass with the security dashboard, start by logging into your LastPass account. Once logged in, navigate to the LastPass security dashboard. You can find the security dashboard in the left-hand menu. Click on the security dashboard option to access your security features. Here, you will see an overview of your account's security status. Look for the section labeled Authentication. Under this section, you will find authentication methods currently in use. Review the listed authentication methods to ensure they're set up correctly. If you haven't enabled two-factor authentication, now is the time to do so. Click on the option to enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to select your preferred method of authentication. You may choose to receive codes via an authenticator app, SMS, or email. Once you select your method, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After enabling two-factor authentication, LastPass will usually require you to verify it. This may involve entering a code sent to your chosen method. Input the code and click on the verification button. Confirm that your two-factor authentication is now active. Next, review other security settings in the security dashboard. Ensure your password health is up to date. LastPass may suggest changing weak or reused passwords. Consider utilizing the password generator feature to create strong passwords. After addressing password health, check your security challenges. These challenges can identify areas needing improvement in your security setup. Take action on any security warnings or suggestions provided. Finally, regularly return to your security dashboard for ongoing security reviews. This will help keep your account secure and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.